half shaft in. Two stub axes on the front now. If you want to see these women in action, 14th of October, it's the place to be. The Equestrian Centre in Cavan for the All-Ireland Championship. And I believe they're going very well for it. So that's where we want to see all for our support down there for the ladies. And we have a great time here this evening. 5 minutes gone. Give them a big round of applause here, ladies and gentlemen. Doing very well this evening here.